Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off grammar suggestions in Gmail on your PC. If you find the grammar suggestions distracting or unnecessary, you can easily disable them with just a few simple steps. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of turning off grammar suggestions in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the Grammar section. Step 5. Next to Grammar, click on Grammar Suggestions Off. This will disable the Grammar Suggestions feature in Gmail. By turning off grammar suggestions, you can personalize your Gmail experience and focus on composing your emails without any distractions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.